Opening wide for cereal. Yeah. Going a little cross-eyed. Making it in the mess. Hi, Nick. Happy dog, looking for food. Nick, eating more cereal. Happy dog, wanting cereal. Colin, feeding cereal. Cereal mixed with breast milk. Oh. Opening wide. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yeah, hi. Oh, such a tough life.
It's pretty good stuff, isn't it, buddy?
Yum, yum.
Yeah. He says, yeah, it's some
Yeah.
pretty good stuff. Oh,
Here it all
look at the
goes.
mess. You're gonna hold that, huh? Okay.
Abby still waiting for crumbs.
What?
Mr. Man missing an oh, opening wide, wanting more. Green spoon and yum. Abby dog changing positions. Thinking she'll like rice cereal.
I need it back, buddy. I need to put some more on there. Can I have that? Can I have that? Can I have it back? Can I have that? That'd be super. Can I have it back? Can I have it back? Buddy, you have a death grip on
Colin
there.
already going gray.
I need this back, seriously.
Nick.
I need it back.
Nick wanting more cereal.
You have to wait for me to put some on the spoon and then you can have some more.
Opening wide. Yum.
Uh-oh, what happened that time, huh?
Nick, smile for the camera. Nick. Say, give me more, give me more.
That's some good stuff, huh? Yeah.
Yum.
No, you well done, huh? Oh, yeah?
Oh,
Yeah.
such a tough life. Hi, Nick. Hi, Nick. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi, Nick. Happy dog peeking in the background. Hi, Nick. Hi. Hi. Okay.